all the way from California, originally done by RDBLA. And this is why we don't use tech wrap. This is why we don't use cheap Chinese film. Alright, so real talk, by the way, I got any jack. I have no jack stands whatsoever. We're gonna have to go to Harbor Freight. Doesn't have to be there. Really? Yeah, because that. So I have no jack stands. Struggles. Honestly, I can have this whole side taken apart before we go to lunch.
Right now,
it's still gonna be on the door, and you don't have any room to bring it forward, do you? Just oriented. Yep, that's all I got.
just having a slight debate between the rap master and the rap apprentice over here. So I think he's telling, you know, how it should be done. He's been doing it. He's been doing it for years. You know, very experienced. One day this young cat will get it through his head. You know.
Yeah.
All right, it's Wayne signing off.
I try not to think.
All right, so here we are, day 372.
It does feel like that, I ain't gonna lie.
About to wrap the fender, do a little bit of carbon fiber.
Yeah, definitely.
We got quality control out here. There she is.
Yep.
Definitely had to figure out how we were gonna do these inlays. It was a bit of a struggle.
Thanks.
We just pretend like we know what we're doing, don't?
Pescoço.
Matt speaks to the people. Take one.
Speaks to the people. Gotta turn on the music so we don't get able to copyright. We got everything finished up for today. Honest to God, I don't even remember what day we are on this. So
8.
Is it really 8?
I think so, yeah.
I feel terrible now. We're gonna make sure it's right. Everything else is done on this side. We got a little bit of tuck on the quarter panel. The doors are finally done. Fender, back sides of the door, everything's put together. We did end up doing jams on this one. So then literally it's just a bumper and front rear bumper and the trunk. And then we're gonna bring you that hot stuff. It's gonna be spicy. Just when you think that you were clear from all the glue and primer that they put on this car. But wait, there's more! If you order right now, we'll put in 2 cans for the price of 1!
The front bumper is being disassembled.
Oh!
Matt's losing his mind.
Hey, but you know what? This is the last bit right here. We're in the home stretch.
Facts.
Home stretch.